Generally, successful people are not afraid of rejection.
To be successful, you don't need to be afraid of rejection. Just take it as part of life and you'll notice there's nothing to be afraid of, especially within the word no. No is just another way to search out the simplest way around an obstacle and to use artistic problem-solving skills. In this video, you will learn 5 pillars to a successful home business. If you are new to this channel, welcome to our channel and please subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Number 1. Hustle. Generally, people who make it big have one thing in common. They are dissatisfied with the status quo. They will not take what's common or expected and let that outline their lives. They move past it and stand out. You must work effortlessly and hustle. Number 2. Character. Someone coined the phrase, character is what you do within the dark. In other words, when no one is looking, will you behave otherwise than if somebody was looking? If not, then you have character. If you are attacked, be tough, not hard. Don't be a pushover, but be compassionate, gentle, and flexible, especially on procedure, not principle. Number 3. Risk-taking. This isn't gambling, it's a willingness to be daring, hearty, and to push forward. People who refuse to take risks area unit positively aiming to lose. If you refuse a new promotion because you're not assured of your skills, you will probably be left out once a unique likelihood arrives. Don't be afraid of rejection, just take it as part of life and you'll notice there's nothing to be afraid of, especially within the word no. No is just another way to search out the simplest way around an obstacle and to use artistic problem-solving skills. Number 4. Time management. We all understand that 1 minute has 60 seconds and that 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 day has 24 hours, and 1 year has 365 days. But 1 year additionally has 525,600 minutes. We don't suppose concerning a year in such little increments, but perhaps we tend to ought to. We waste minutes as if they'll continuously be around, and the fact is that point wasted is time we are able to never revisit. We may miss a deal or promotion of a time period by wasting simply many minutes. Proper time management is essential as you climb to success. Continue to break goals down into manageable chunks. Do that with relevancy your day and also the time you've been given. You'll accomplish far a lot of this manner. And you won't regret using your time wisely. Number 5. Master nonverbal communication. It is said that our visual communication and facial expressions do far more active than our words can ever do. When the words that you speak don't match the expressions on your face or the stance of your body, you confuse the listener and muddle your message. Be aware that once you attempt to multitask, you often find yourself short-changing one thing. And the last item you would like is to short-change folks. Don't try to do an excessive amount of at once. Your disposition to do this tells folks they aren't necessary, even if you're expressing your appreciation of their work and energy. Be aware of what message your body is sending off. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, give it thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel for new videos every week.